We all know cleaning a pontoon is a lot of fun, but a question I get a lot is what should I use to clean my pontoon? But a better question would be, what shouldn't you use? So here's a couple quick tips for cleaning your pontoon. The easy answer on what you should use is just mix soap and water in a spray bottle, spray it on, and wipe it off. And that should really be all you need to do to clean the pontoon. The flooring itself, super stain resistant, so you don't really have to worry about that staining. Your seats, as long as you're keeping them wiped down, aren't going to stain. What you don't want to use is anything that has any harsh chemicals in it. So a lot of the products that you would use for cleaning your car or anything like that, you want to avoid using on your pontoon. Because if you think about it, the vinyl on your pontoon is out and exposed to the sun all day. You start introducing a lot of chemicals into that. Eventually, that vinyl is going to burn, it's going to dry out, and it's going to crack. And one of the number one things that dealerships look for when you're trading in a pontoon is what is the condition of the vinyl. So you start using stuff like that, your vinyl starts cracking. That is going to seriously hurt the value of your investment further on down the road. Other things you can do is there are products such as Eco that you can apply right at the purchase of your pontoon that come with a warranty that just help protect against staining, help protect against sun damage, and other things like that. And that's something that you can always ask when you come here to check out our pontoons at McLaughlin's RV and Marine in Brainerd.